Today I'm going to teach you how to fetch data from an API in Power BI. This is a powerful way to connect live data sources directly to your reports and dashboards, making your analytics more dynamic and up-to-date. First, open your Power BI desktop application. Once it's launched, take a look at the top of your screen and make sure you're on the Home tab. This is where most of your primary functions live, including the data import tools we'll be using today. Next, locate and click on Get Data. This button is your gateway to connecting various data sources to Power BI. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear with multiple options for different data sources. From this menu, select Web. Choosing Web allows you to pull data directly from online sources, including APIs, which is exactly what we need for this task. A dialog box will now appear asking for a URL. This is where you'll paste your API endpoint. Go ahead and paste your API URL into the field provided. Make sure the URL is correct and complete, as any errors here will prevent the connection from working properly. Once you've pasted it in, click OK to proceed. Now comes the waiting part. After clicking OK, Power BI will begin fetching the data from your API. The loading time depends entirely on the size of your dataset, so be patient during this process. If you're working with a large dataset, it might take a few moments. You'll see a loading indicator on your screen while Power BI retrieves and processes the information. Once the loading is complete, your data from the API will open directly in the Power BI query editor. This editor gives you a preview of the data structure and allows you to transform or clean it before loading it into your main report. You'll be able to see all the fields and records that were pulled from the API, displayed in a table format that you can review and modify as needed. And that's it. You've successfully connected to an API and fetched data into Power BI. From here, you can apply transformations, create relationships, or load the data directly into your report for visualization. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.